Hi guys, I'm here with my two kids and we're here to teach you guys how to make our yogurt parfaits with the lunch that we provide for you. Okay, so we're gonna take our yogurt, our fresh fruit, and our scratch-made granola. Okay, first we're gonna take the yogurt and open it like so. Good job, Bryson.
He's ahead of us.
Mama, I know how to do it.
Yep, we're gonna have you put in the fruit. And hopefully you have a clear cup at home so you guys can see how pretty it is when it's all layered. And then Kyla, you wanna take some of the fruit and put it in. So we'll do half the fruit, a little bit more maybe a little bit more. And then we'll do a little bit more yogurt. Oh yeah, and then you can put the rest of the fruit in. Good job, Bryson. Okay, you want to put some fruit in yours? Oh, good job. Okay, go ahead, buddy. And then, Kyla, you want to take some of this and help me sprinkle some over the top?
I can do it.
Okay. Good job, guys. We've been washing our hands a lot lately, so we